Hello, all of you. Myself Naresh Rawal. I am the table tennis coach of Modern Indian School. Uh, Before I start this class, just a quick revision about the last week chapter, last week topic. Last week, those who have missed, that's why I am going to for a quick revision. Last time I told how to hold the racket, table tennis racket. Most of you have a confusion how to hold the racket properly. So last time I told you two ways of holding the racket. First was the shake hand grip. Hold the racket like this. The way you shake hand with others like this, hold it like this, four fingers here and one finger here, and just three fingers like this, one finger here and one finger here. So this is the way shake hand grip. Last time I told you. Okay, normally European countries, Americans, they use these types of grip. Indians also do use these types of grips. The second grip was the pen hold. The way we hold the pen. Okay, two fingers we use. So in this also, racket is like this. Just hold it like this. Two fingers, three fingers at the back, and you can play like this. Okay, so this is known as the pen hold grip, and this is known as the shake hand grip. This is your backhand and this is your forehand. Two types, two ways of forehand side and the backhand side. Okay, so this was the last time which I told you, and some exercises also how to control the ball like this you can do at home. Now today's topic is about, I'll tell you some of the basic rules of table tennis. Table tennis can be played, normally we play table tennis in two ways. First is the individual event. In individual event, what happened? One player play from this side and the other player is on that side, and one and one we play with each other, like we can say as a singles event. Okay, this is known as singles event. One player is going to play with another. The second is known as doubles event. In doubles event, what happened? Two players on this side and two players on that side, and we play with each other. So normally tournaments are held in two ways. One is the singles event and other is known as the doubles event. Okay, so these are the two ways. Now quickly about the rules and regulations. In every game there are 11 points. Okay, and the player who is going to reach 11 is the winner of that game. So in that, what happens? There are two players. If we are playing singles, one player on this side and one player on that side. The first person is going to receive, and he is going to the first person is going to serve, and he is going to do two service. Okay, and after that the service will change, and the opponent is going to do two service, and again I am going this side, the player is going to do service, and again that service. So it goes on in this way. Okay, so this is the way how we play table tennis. Now the another rule is, whenever we do service, the first drop should be on this court, this half court, and the other should be on that side. Okay, just check. The first service drop should be on this side and other should be on that. Okay, this is the way to do service. It is compulsory to do first drop here and other on that side. So that means one drop should be on this side and one drop on that side. This is the way to start a game. Okay, this is the way to start a service. And after that, what happened? After doing one drop and one drop on that side, the opponent is going to hit directly here. Okay, then when the ball comes here, then I am going to hit directly on that side. So then directly this side, directly that side, one drop here, one drop there. This is the way to play table tennis. So what is the thing we have to notice? The thing is, when we do service, drop should be here, first drop, second drop should be on the opponent courts. This is compulsory, one drop, and after that directly on the opponent's court. That means that person is going to hit on this side and I am going to hit directly on that side. So this is the way we play, and that is called a rally. No. Okay, so now today's I am going to tell you how to do counter. Okay, so when we do counter, forehand counter, okay, there are two ways. Two counters are there: forehand counter and backhand counter. In the last topic also, last week I have told you this is forehand and this is backhand. So in forehand, what happens? Your hand, see my hand. My hand should be here, and it should go till my shoulder. Okay, just check from here to here. If you don't have table at home, it's okay. Just have a racket, just hold the racket and try to do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your hand should start from here, just parallel to from here the table. You just think an imaginary line from here to here. So okay, just check. And here. Pass one more, please. Okay, just see again. Again, I am showing you from here to here. See. So this is the common way, the simple way to play any ball. Okay, from here to here. Simple action. So just try to practice like this at home for 10 times, 20 times. Okay, there is no need to get confused. Simple, from here to here. The action should be like this. This is known as forehand counter. So today's that's all, and next time also I am going to come and I am going to tell you about backhand also. Till then, you just drew. Can you please pass one ball? Okay, so same exercises which I have told you, just practice this also at home, and this also from backhand side, and after that you can do like this: 1, 2, 3. Just try to change your wrist, a difficult one. Okay, one from your forehand, one from your backhand. Just practice like this. Okay, and walk, or you can run also. So this is the way how you play. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.